I needed to make a wreath for one of my mermaids, so I thought I'd show how I do it. I use this garland that has a wire in it, and I roll it between my hands to kind of compress the little needles, and then I fold it in half. I'm going to make a heart shape, and then I roll it over my fingers like this, and then I open it up and turn it, and it makes just about a perfect heart shape. The other supply that I use is the thinnest fabric covered wire, and I paint it gold, and I also glitter it with gold, and I'll show you how I use that. So I picked out the shells I'm going to use for this wreath, and I glue them on, of course using my Gorilla Glue gun, and I do 2 or 3 at a time because the glue stays warm for that amount of time. And I like these colored shells. I used to use just one color shell, a natural color, but the last batch of shells I bought had these colored ones in them, and I really like these with the mermaid that I'm putting it on, which I'll show you at the end. I also make round wreaths, and I do the round ones pretty much the same way, except I obviously don't make it into a heart. So the way I use this is a really nice little added detail that gives it a little sparkle. I just sort of weave it in and out of the shells, and this just really enhances it and makes it look so pretty. And because this wire is so thin, it's just so easy to bend. You don't really have to glue it because it's wire and it just stays in place. And I'm going to glue it on the mermaid so that glue will hold parts of it in place. So I'm just going to clip this off with my wire cutters, and there it is. Love using these wreaths. So here's my adorable mermaid that it's going to go on. She's going to be holding that wreath, and here she is all finished. And thank you for watching. See you next time.